anak kasadonyo, marilah sama-sama kita saksikan pertandingan tinju yang sudah tidak asing lagi di lapangan hutan. Pada sore ko anak petinju adalah nama Dunarahap dengan penantangnya RKL. Marilah sama-sama kita cari. Hadirin sekalian, marilah kita saksikan pertandingan tinju. Dari sudut merah kita panggil Naulado Nala. Nah, inilah dia RKL dari sudut biru. Pertandingan ini dipimpin oleh wasit kita yang sudah tidak asing lagi, yaitu Bajuni. Di pertama.
Clinching is forbidden unless you throw an immediate knee or a strike. It's not like boxing where guys just hang on each other for round after round. That is illegal.
This fight was supposed to happen last 41 in Holland, but Gregorian had to pull up from a broken toe, so we'll see if that's going to affect some of his kicking.
He was criticized for that withdrawal by Grunhart, who said, listen, if he couldn't fight 3 weeks ago, he can't fight tonight. How did his toe heal so quickly?
Nice flying knee from Myrtle. That's one of his favorite shots to land, and many knockouts with it. And that knee is very dangerous for Gregorian, who's coming in a...
Clinching is forbidden unless you throw an immediate knee or a strike. It's not like boxing where guys just hang on each other round after round. That is illegal.
This fight was supposed to happen last 41 in Holland, but Gregorian had to pull up from a broken toe, so we'll see if that's going to affect some of his kicking.
He was criticized for that withdrawal by Grunhart, who said, listen, if he couldn't fight 3 weeks ago, he can't fight tonight. How did his toe heal so quickly?
Nice flying knee from Myrtle. That's one of his favorite shots to land, and many knockouts with it. And that knee is very dangerous for Gregorian, who's coming in a straight line, so I expect Myrtle to throw it frequently.
And Gregorian with a 73% knockout ratio. That is very impressive, especially for a welterweight. 3/4 of his wins have ended in knockout.
Tadi pertandingan tinju telah kita saksikan dalam jangka 3 ronde. Untuk pemenangnya kita umumkan, yaitu sang juara bertahan, yaitu Naulado.